This video puts you through on how to access recently deleted photos from an iPhone so that you'll be able to delete them permanently if you don't have any use for them and create space on your phone. Let's just get right into it. To access recently deleted photos on iPhone and delete them permanently, the first step is to locate your Photos app, alright? And then tap on it. As the Photos app opens, you will see some videos and photos recently recorded, alright, or you added in the Photos app. Scroll down to the section named Utilities. So you need to scroll down, okay? On scrolling down to Utilities, you will see a section called Recently Deleted. Tap on it. On tapping on it, you will see that it is locked. So you see the option, you see the text, use Face ID to view this album. Alright, so tap on View Album and use your face to unlock it. Okay, you can see here, I have some photos I recently deleted and some videos, but they have not been wiped out completely. So I want to delete them permanently. So what you need to do is to tap on the select button at the top right. Then start tapping on those photos and videos that you want to delete permanently. Once you're done with the selection, tap on the three dots at the bottom right and then select delete. Then you see this will permanently delete the selected items. This action can't be undone. Just tap on delete from this iPhone and everything is gone. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this platform. Okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment in this comment section. All right? Thank you and see you some other time.